Let's start off by looking at a general triangle. We are no longer limiting ourselves to just right triangles. And I'll label the angles A, B, and C. Well, if I draw two parallel lines, one line lining up with the bottom of the triangle, and the other line above it just touching the top of the triangle but parallel to that bottom line, if I then extend the sides of the triangle as lines, we can think of these two parallel lines being traversed by a third line, one of the legs of the triangle. If we do that, then we know that the angle caused by that traversal causes two identical angles, angle B below and also angle B above that parallel line we just drew. We can do the same thing for the other leg, and then we find that that angle C is also equal to the angle C as shown above that parallel line. We can also say that if we have two lines that cross, the angles opposite are equal. So now we've moved angles A, B, and C to the top of the parallel line, and we see that the three added together are a straight line, or add up to 180 degrees. So we've just shown how the sum of the angles of any triangle equals 180 degrees. Well, we're mainly concerned with right triangles here in our trigonometry class. Well, if we go back to our right triangle, and remembering that a right triangle means that one angle is 90 degrees, and if we know the sum of the angles of a triangle equal 180 degrees, if we subtract out the 90 degrees that we know about, we can see that what's left is 90 degrees. So the two acute angles of this right triangle, A and C in this case, have to equal 90 degrees. So for any right triangle, the sum of the acute angles are 90 degrees. They add up to 90 degrees. These are called complementary angles. Angles are complementary when they add up to 90 degrees.